Hello, my name is Christopher Torres. I'm an HSI El Paso sophomore.
Hi, I'm David Olivas. I'm also an HSI El Paso sophomore.
Hello, I'm Gavin McKnight, and I am an HSI El Paso sophomore. And today we will be doing fire tests with colored fire. Now, the chemicals we are using are nickel chloride, strontium nitrate, copper 2 chloride, lithium chloride, and Germex, which kind of led through the paper. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to take these sticks that have been saturated in some water to pick up the salts, and when you have the salts on the stick and put them in the fire, they're going to be a different color than the fire is. So let's
Let's start.
Christopher Torres go first.
So I'm gonna be doing copper 2 chloride, which is this one over here. If I am correct, it should do a blue flame. So first we dip both sides. Once both sides are dipped, we just put them over the flame, and well, once it burns, it makes a blue flame with purple on top of it. In my opinion, I think this is the best fire, but it gets cool. So there's one test. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do the next test, and it's lithium chloride. Right, so I'm gonna just put it in here, same thing that Christopher did. Get all the salt on it, and then I'm gonna burn it. And it's red, like a deep red. Yes, sir. Crazy. Brown color. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much it for this one. That's loud.
Alright, so what I will be doing now is nickel chloride. So I get the stick, I put it in the power, and let's see what color it makes. Like a peach color. Looks pretty good. You can see the wide difference between the two colors. So, it's pretty good.
Alright, so we still have two more. But since Germex bleeding, I guess we should continue with that one. So hopefully there's still enough Germex. Oh yeah, that's true. Right. So I'm just gonna dip it. Thank you very much, assistant. So now we just burn it, and this is what we get. So to be honest, not that big of a difference. Kind of like a peachy color. Oh, it's not really peach color. Alright, so pretty much Germex. I think it's the most boring one. Yeah, that's it for Germex.
And the final one that we have today is strontium nitrate. Now we do the same thing with the stick and the chemicals. Now we have that on the stick, put it in the fire, and we get a nice reddish with a tint of green color. I hope it's picking up on the camera. So, view of it. And it looks pretty good.
Alright.
And that's the colored fire tests that we have. Anything you want to say?
Not really.
I have a note. We had another chemical that we're gonna do, but we ran out. It was actually boric acid. I don't remember the color it makes.
It burns a very bright green.
And we ran out of that chemical, so we couldn't do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the color fire test. Thank you very much for watching.
And what this is used for is if you ever see something like a firework or something, these colors to make the different colors in the firework. And that's what this would be used for in a real life scenario. So yes.
Thank you very much. So the science behind this experiment it's actually really simple. Not really. So these chemicals, when they're submitted to energy, which in the form of heat, which we had it over here, they release electrons because they get really excited. So when they come back down to like the energy level below them, they release energy in the form of light, depending on which wavelength they're at.
Now the wavelength determines what the color of the fire is. So like the wavelength, we have a spectrum of the wavelengths, like a chart. In this video, we'll put a picture of it so you can see all the wavelengths and the colors that correspond with the certain wavelengths.